If we can see something, that means that it either emits light on its own or it is reflecting light. And the cool thing about that is we can use this thing called a spectrometer. We can point it at a star, a galaxy, dust, a planet, whatever, and we can almost spread apart that light, kind of like using a prism, and we can see what elements are present there. So we're going to do this with some emission spectrum. So it's actually looking at the light that's emitted by stars. And we're going to manipulate some spectra to figure out what elements are present in these stars. So first, you'll need to complete some pre-lab questions. The answers to those can be found within your topic pages. You will need to make a copy of the manipulatives slideshow, and then you're going to collect data using those slides, and I will show you an example of one. So here's the slideshow. It has some more introductions, and then like here you can see that this is a hydrogen spectrum, an emission spectrum. So it has these 4 lines. They occur at specific places, and it's like a fingerprint. Here's iron. It looks very different from hydrogen. So I'm going to look at a star, and you'll see on the left and the right side, I have emission spectra for you to drag around. So I'm just going to grab the magnesium spectra over here, and I'm going to kind of line it up. So you want these lines to be the same. You'll see that this one might be like a little short, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger if I can. Okay. Now I'm going to see if the lines here for this element, for magnesium, line up with the star's spectrum. So I can see that these lines are here. That's great. So this might have magnesium. And then I'm going to come over, and it also has a blue line here. So this star does have magnesium present. Now, if I were to check out another element and it did not line up, like this might be okay actually. So if I were to find one that didn't line up, like maybe there was a line right here where there clearly is not one in the star, I automatically know that that element is not present and I don't need to keep looking. So I know that this star has magnesium. I would go back to my lab. I would place an X in the proper cell. So you need to analyze all of these stars to figure out the elements that are present. Then you have some analysis questions and a couple post-lab questions to complete. If you have any other questions about the star spectroscopy lab, please reach out to your teacher for further assistance.